Hi, I'm Mary and this is Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am making a vegetarian dish made with vegetarian chorizo. It's actually called soyrizo, with all these bell peppers and all these vegetables, and I'm going to show you how it's made right now. I'm going to put this on a medium high. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of oil. Just enough to mostly cover the pan. While our oil is heating, I'm going to get this soyrizo out of its casings. If you can see this, it is kind of a lot like a regular sausage, right? Don't cook it with the casing on. It tastes really good. Also, there's a big piece of metal on there, so you definitely don't want to cook with that. Okay, that oil's nice and hot. I'm going to put the soyrizo in here and then break it up. If you're a chorizo eater, I think you'll be surprised at how much you like this. It's really, really good. Now I want to add the veggies. This is 1 orange bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper, and a half of a red onion. And these have all been sliced in strips. We're gonna let this go for about 7-8 minutes. We'll do that. Okay, that was closer to about 10 minutes I cooked this. Just FYI. Now I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of this tomato paste in the bottom of the pan. I made a little hole here. I'm going to put it right in that hole. I want about 2 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce. And about a tablespoon of no salt seasoning. But you can use seasoning salt, or if you want to use a taco seasoning or Cajun seasoning. We're going to cook that for about a minute to wake that tomato paste up. Get those seasonings blended in there. Look at these colors. As it turns out, my gnocchi is not good. I bought it, opened it, it smelled funny, and I just cooked it and tasted it, and it's nasty. So we're gonna just have to do this without gnocchi. Hey, you gotta improvise sometimes. I'm just gonna add the cream. This is 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of vegetable broth. No pasta for us tonight. I love gnocchi, but yeah, that was not good. It was a brand new package. I don't know, but anyway, it did not taste good. It tasted like plastic. Gnocchi one other time, store-bought gnocchi one other time, and it was actually really good. So this was just a bad batch. How about this though? Dinner in 1 pot, well, 1 skillet. Everything was done in here. You don't have to dirty any dishes. You're welcome. Okay, I'll tell you what I've decided to do. This is pretty well done. I'm just going to let this sit here. I'm going to boil up some potatoes. So it's going to be like papas and chorizo, papas and soyrizo, but just a little bit different and backwards. Disaster averted. That's what happens sometimes. Sometimes you open up your gnocchi and it's rotten. What are you going to do? I boiled up some potatoes. So now it's soyrizo and potatoes and peppers in a creamy sauce. And just like that, a new dish is created. Let's taste it, shall we? I totally want some cream in the form of sour on mine. Chives. Definition of a happy accident right here. This is tremendous. This is delicious. This is wonderful. Just changed from gnocchi, which is a potato pasta, right, to just regular chunks of boiled potatoes. It's delicious on accident. Thank you for watching. Please try this at home. I'll see you next time. You take care now.